Ngemuva kwamalanga esibhicongo bahlali balendzawo bacala kabusha.
Senazo itoro la. Asekho la siyothola ukudla khona. Manje siyacabanga nathi ukuthi sifake isandla emphakathini lana ukuthi sikubuyela yishopho zethu.
Kunekubambeleleka kuletinye tindzawo kepha takhamuti talana tifuna kucala kwakha kabusha.
All insurances need to send their people to take a proper official report so that the insurance can help pay for the mess that's here. Now we can't tamper with the crime scene. It was simple. I need explanation again. Who thought a date in na I'll come back and tell you when the insurance will come and clean and give us a report so that you can come in and clean.
Kubambeleleka kwabosomabhizinisi.
Now we don't know. For how long is this gonna take? How long is it gonna take for the settle down for us to be back at work? Or for the malls to be fixed again? I don't think we don't have anything.
Monakalo waletehlakalo sanemthelela kubantfu balendzawo njengalokhu bafuna kutsenga tintfo letibalulekile kuletinye titolo letisavulile.
This is all we can come now for supplies. I'm in this queue for about 3 hours now, and it's the only place we can get our supplies for the day.
Baholi betenkolo bathandazela kutsi kuphele letehlakalo tekuti tapela ititolo.
Yes, much of this was orchestrated by people that wanted to cause disturbance. But the truth is that the dry timber upon which the matchstick worked was the poverty of our people. It is not appropriate. We have 75% of young people without hope and without jobs. And that means we need, as Reverend Molo was saying, a post-COVID and a post-looting social and economic dispensation.
Bavakashele lendzawo yekutsenga lapho kushone bantfu labalishumi.
Njalo False Laura sekubuthwa tinsalela emva kokuthi lesithabathaba sesitolo singenelwe ngumphakathi. Etakhamuti TV letanikela kwelekelela kuhuculula. iChris Animal ingulenye yetindzawo tetitolo lecekelwe phansi ngamalunga emphakathi kulesifundza seGauteng. Lo mphakathi utsinyala usetandleni ndawo ukuthi konke kubuyele esimeni.
Inhliziyo zethu zibhlungu kakhulu ngalento eyenzakele ngoba manje asazi imali ephenshini ukuthi seyithola kanjani.
Abantu balahlelwe imisebenzi, you know, hayi abantu kuphela bogogo bayoholaphi like kwanami ngiyothenga kuphi medicine.
Kulama awala nge-48 lengcile kuthiwa bathathu labalahlekelwe impilo dabo kule mibhikisho leneludlame. Kepha letakhamuti sethi luvile lolubito lekuthi konke lokhu sekusetandleni tato. Lesekusele tibi emafriji laphukile emashelufu etitolo lete lutho labanye bathi lesi sifundvo.
Akithi worry this was about Zuma or this was about hunger or what, but whoever did this to our mall here in Krisan in False Laura, I don't know what are you thinking right now where you're sitting. Because right now, thousands of people lost their jobs. No one doesn't know how to feed their kids right now. Some, they come from labor ward right now. They need new clothes for the kids. There's nothing.
Kusenjalo libambela lasodolobha wasekuruleni libonga umphakathi kusukumela etulu kulwisana nalolu dlame.
We are extremely excited by the change of heart, and this must be a change of heart because at some point there was complacency, and you know that nature doesn't allow for a vacuum. And this is a community activism that from day zero we have been calling for.
Njengoba usengakatiwa ukuthi unganani umonakalo emaphoyisa nemasotsha atawuchubeka abe kulendzawo kuvikela lokusele.